Jared Simpson here with MarineMax Boston, and today we're aboard 2023 Sea Ray 310 SLX Outboard. This boat is powered with a pair of 300 horsepower Mercury V8 Verados with joystick piloting. Moving forward, we have a nice sun lounge here in the aft section of the boat. Great when you're on anchor at the dock. Tons of seating. There's a removable table that's not in place right now as well. The cockpit refrigerator, plenty of counter space for meal prep. We have a nice retractable sunshade. Sunroof to open up, get some fresh air in the boat. The Sea Ray digital dash here with two Simrad MFDs. We have GPS, chart plotter, engine information. We can even pull up our stereo features here on the MFDs. Nice head compartment with a vacuum flush toilet, sink, sea deck flooring throughout the boat, stainless steel windshield frame, plenty of bow seating, and again, another removable table up in the bow. For additional information, please contact me at 781-727-0629. Thank you.